In today's market, customers have endless options when it comes to choosing a product or service. So how does a brand stand out from the rest? Emotional branding is the answer. You might have heard the phrase, people buy based on emotions and justify with logic. When a brand creates an emotional connection with its customers, it becomes more than just a product or service. It becomes a part of the customer's life, a symbol of their identity and a source of their comfort and satisfaction. To understand the importance of emotional branding, let's compare two hypothetical brands, Brand A and Brand B. Brand A is a company that sells laptops and Brand B is a company that also sells laptops. However, Brand A only focuses on the technical features of their laptops, while Brand B focuses on the emotional benefits of owning their laptops. Brand A may have a better specification and a lower price point, but it fails to create an emotional connection with its customers. On the other hand, Brand B understands that owning a laptop is not just about having the latest technology, but it's also about the emotional benefits that come with it. For example, Brand B might highlight how their laptops allow you to work from anywhere, giving you the freedom to pursue your dreams. Or they might emphasize on the sleek design of their laptops, which can make you feel stylish and confident. Let me give you a real-life example of this. Starbucks is a brand that has mastered the emotional branding. They don't just sell coffee, they sell an experience. From the moment you walk in the Starbucks store, you are hit with the aroma of coffee and the friendly baristas and the cozy ambience. Starbucks has created a brand that is synonymous with relaxation, productivity and socializing. That's why people are willing to pay a premium for their coffee. Emotional branding is not just limited to B2C businesses. B2B companies can also leverage emotions to create a connection with their audience. For example, IBM's Smarter Planet campaign focuses on their mission to create a better future for everyone. They didn't just talk about their products, they talked about their vision and purpose. That's emotional branding at its finest. So, what can we learn from these examples? The lesson is simple. If you want to drive customer conversion, you need to focus on emotional branding. You need to create a powerful emotional message that resonates with your customers. And you need to use a powerful storytelling to connect with your customers on an emotional level. So, how can you implement this emotional branding in your business? Well, in the first step, you need to understand who is your audience, what are their pain points, desires and aspirations. Once you know this, you can create a brand that speaks to their emotions. If you are looking to stand out in the crowded marketplace and create an emotional connection with your customers, then don't wait any longer. Click on the link in the description below to book a call. I will personally work with you to identify the emotional benefits of your product or service and develop a branding strategy that's unlike anything your competitors are doing. Say goodbye to boring and generic marketing messages and say hello to a brand that truly speaks to your customers' hearts. That's for today's video and I will see you in the next one.